Welcome back. In this exercise, we will learn how to work with Python interpreter. Open terminal and verify that your Python is installed successfully by typing python 3 -- version. As you can see, we have a Python 3.7.4 installed. I'm going to type Python 3 and press return. Now I am in interactive shell. Once the interactive shell opens, on the first line you should see Python version information. This includes its major version and the release date. In this case, we can see Python 3.74 was released July 8, 2019. Now we can see the version that we running interactive shell. It says on Darwin. Now let's write the most famous Hello World program. Whenever you start learning any new programming language, the first program you usually write is called Hello World. Now what that program does, it basically prints out Hello World. So we use a Python method called print. We use parentheses, single quote, and then we type string here, Hello World. Press return and it will print Hello World. Anything you type into shell is echoed back. For example, if I type single quote, echoed, press return, you can type numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do even calculation right in a shell. So 1 + 1 should be 2, so it should return 2. We can do 20 + 20, we get 40. 20 - 20, we get 0. Now, how do we exit shell? We type exit, open and close parentheses, press return, and we exit the shell. I'm going to relaunch Python shell by typing Python 3. Now, when you exit the Python interactive shell and relaunch it, you will notice that any variable that you had defined or any commands that you wrote is gone. Therefore, we cannot reuse them. Another way to run Python program is by running the code that has been saved in the file, which is the ideal way to write the code. We'll look at how we can compile Python files using Python interpreter, but this interactive shell is very useful when you want to just quickly type some code and test it. This is not where you write your actual applications. So the reason why I'm showing you is because the Python shell is very helpful to write a code quickly and then just test it. And later on, you can write the same code into a file. We have an activity for this video where we'll perform some basic operation using Python interactive shell. I want you to open interactive shell, print happy birthday or any message using print method, run some math operations, print some numbers in a single row, exit the shell.